Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make these Krispy Kreme Donuts. Very delicious, and you will not regret making these. These are delicious. Okay, what I like to start with is about 5 cups of all-purpose flour. I don't want to add all of it just yet because I'm just going to add a little bit of the sugar, not all of it, because and that's about 1/3 cups of sugar, granulated sugar, 2 egg yolks, and then we'll come back. I want it to be around 120, 130, but make sure mine's at 120 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to add 2 packages of yeast and a little bit of sugar to help rise it up. And you want to make sure you just stir with a wooden spoon if you can. Try not to use a metal if you can't help it. This metal's not good for it because metal tends to be a little bit cold and stuff. I mean, it won't hurt it, but it's better to use a wooden spoon to stir it with. Anyways, I'm going to let this set for a few minutes. I like to let it set in the microwave. Now we'll turn this on. Let this spin for a little bit. We'll add more of this flour. Okay, we're now going to add more of the flour to it. Okay, that'd be enough right there. Now we'll come back down. Okay, we're going to knead this. Okay, we're going to enter our batter down here. Okay. We need a rolling pan for this. Next thing I'm gonna do ain't gotta be perfect. We all know that. For the donuts. Alright, see if I can get them off here. Alright. Start off with that one. Need 1 to 3 to 4 cups of effervescent sugar, powdered sugar. Okay, I want half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start off with 2 teaspoons of milk. You gotta be careful because you don't add too much milk. You can always add milk, but you can't take it out unless you add more sugar, but you don't want to go all that. So we'll start off with 2, and you just want a good thick, kind of thick, creamy or liquidy. We'll come back. And just a little bit more, then we'll have it. Just one more. Okay, that makes 6 teaspoons of milk and 1 1/3 cups of powdered sugar, granulated sugar, and then a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that's what we got here. Okay, that's what we're looking for. We'll start off this one right here, and you want to make sure that he gets onto the bottom. You don't want to miss any of it, so that'll be about good enough right there. That's it. You gotta be careful on how. That's a perfectly good donut right there. We're gonna do a taste test on this, and I have my ice head on this one back here. It is just beautiful. So, oh my god, oh my god, I swear to God. It is so delicious. Anyways, I want to thank you for watching my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do subscribe to my channel, hit my bell so you don't miss an episode of my videos. Remember, hit that bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you won't get any of my notifications on my videos. And I want y'all to have a wonderful day.